What makes a good affiliate marketing training program? I'd say traffic. What kind of traffic methods it teaches and how deeply the training's involved in that area. Of course, there are other factors to consider when choosing a training course, such as formats, comprehensiveness, price, refund policy, and all. I've seen hundreds of affiliate marketing courses over the years. Many of them offer a free, done-for-you website, and others come up with innovative tools or secret tips. But when it comes to how to drive traffic, they often simply recommend some reputable solo ad sellers and leave all the stressful parts up to you, yet traffic is the single most important part. Have you been there before? Then I think Express Ticket to Success program can help you. If you're brand new to online marketing or you've been around for a while but the method you're working on doesn't seem to work, the least you can do right now is to watch the free webinar and decide whether this coaching program is for you or not. If you're looking to start earning decent affiliate commissions in a fairly short period but without spending money on traffic, it'll be worth it. What is Express Ticket to Success? Express Ticket to Success (ETTS) is an affiliate marketing coaching program that helps you make money by gaining the audience's trust in a short period without spending a dime on paid ads. It's a 1 full year of mentorship and coaching by Philip Johansson, a Danish multi-millionaire entrepreneur, also one of the best affiliate marketer in the world, and Dan Kahn, a young college dropout who is also a super affiliate. The method is about leveraging YouTube videos to sell affiliate products and build a list at the same time, i.e. not using paid traffic. Being transparent to your audience and become a trustworthy marketer. You don't need a list of thousands of leads but the quality of prospects that matters. The value ladder, not selling one product each time but repeatedly sell different items in higher values. Upon joining, you'll start learning the basics from the tutorials, while you can ask any questions to Philip, Dan, or the community members as frequently as you wish. They'll make sure you're making decent revenues, so you're not working alone, although your affiliate business will be of your own. The coaching program outline. Express Ticket to Success full program, the step-by-step tutorials that get you to become a super affiliate and put your system into automation. $5,000 in 30 days, A to Z blueprint, all-inclusive, beginner-friendly strategies that work for any affiliate niche. It teaches you what makes 5x higher conversions without paying for traffic or ads, without a fancy website or any authority status. 100% high converting offers, leverage the ETTS network and gain 100% commissions on products that you won't find anywhere else. 1 weekly live call with Philip and Dan. With ETTS, you won't be alone. You'll be looked after by Philip and Dan, who will go through all your materials and give you feedback every week to ensure your success. So you can ask any questions. Members only Facebook community, you can also ask for help from the community of like-minded other members. Offers that pay you for a lifetime, they'll teach you the value ladder, not to get settled for one-time commissions but how to earn larger amounts over and over again. 60 XDFY videos to outrank competition. Done-for-you videos will allow you to plug and play, and gain instant traction and see immediate results. Hack to get unlimited free buyer traffic. This method will enable you to siphon traffic from various platforms without putting in any additional efforts. Your first sale within a week. Philip and Dan will hand-hold you until you get your first sales once you've set up the system within the first 7 days. Leverage ETTS team to 10x your traffic. Leverage the team to help you do all your posts to multiply your traffic. These posts will generate thousands of dollars without having to hire a designer or copywriter. The keys to our kingdom, the ultimate bonus bundle including the conversion system and automated campaigns that made Philip and Dan $10K per month. The core tutorials. The results-focused tutorial program has 6 modules. Module 1, Overview, understanding what ETTS is about and start planning your success. Module 2, Mind Game Mastery, learning the marketing technique is one thing but you have to have the right mindset to make success possible. Module 3, Secret Conversion System, the secret source of affiliate marketing that you don't get from anywhere else. You'll get to copy the exact commission-generating system. Module 4, Hands-Free Automation, learn how to make your system autopilot, so you'll work fewer hours and receive truly passive income. Module 5, Unstoppable Traffic Hack, this is the area most affiliates struggle with. You'll tap into the best traffic sources via YouTube. Module 6, Outrank all competition, to stand out from the crowd of competition. Who is Express Ticket to Success for? ETTS works with any niche, and the method is not just on trends but sustainable, so I can safely say it's for anyone who wishes to see good results from real affiliate marketing with ethical practices. The course will definitely help you grow your entrepreneurial confidence and reputation in years to come. There is no technical complication in any part of the program, so it's perfect for the complete novice. Affiliate marketing is not saturated. What I like about Express Ticket to Success program is Philip and Dan's honesty and the way they arrived at the most sensible and genuine way of promoting the business after years of tests and trials. Some say affiliate marketing is already saturated, but Philip disagrees and says it's a myth. I'm with Philip. What's saturated is just the most common method of affiliate marketing, anonymously sending random solo ad traffic to a squeeze page and an affiliate page at the same time. All done for you. 2-page website templates have been sold to beginners for years, which are actually easy to create once you know how to operate a website builder. Thousands of other beginners would use those same templates, trying to follow the same promotional methods, and it's all become boring. That part one think is certainly saturated. Express Ticket to Success is about positioning your real self as an authority and building a relationship between you and the audience. So you're not chasing money, you'll attract it. The pricing. Express Ticket to Success is sold at a one-time fee of $997 or 3x $497 monthly installments. There are many other affiliate marketing training programs out there for similar prices. Most others will require you to spend money on traffic on top of it, at least a few hundreds of dollars every month to make the method work. Buying traffic is extra hard work, requires techniques such as copywriting, monitoring, plus often communicating with traffic vendors and negotiating. Considering all that, I think the ETTS method will save a lot of your money. Refund policy. Express Ticket to Success is sold via ClickBank, so your purchase is covered by ClickBank's 60-day money-back guarantee. To get into Express Ticket to Success program at a discounted price, kindly follow the first link in the description of this video. Offer available for today only.